Hey y'all, it's Steve again with Getting Fresh Air, and we're in the garage on another rainy day to do another install on the Jeep. So today we're going to be installing the Epic Adventure Outfitters Kraken tire inflation system with the ARB twin onboard air compressor. Now, Kraken or Epic Adventures, they have a really good install video out there already, so we'll put that up in the links in the description below, so you can go reference that. And it's a really excellent install video, and they have written instructions too on their website. So we're not going to duplicate that and do a complete install video. What we're going to do is just highlight some of the areas where we might have difficulties with the installation. And then one area that I know that we can't find covered anywhere between their video and their instruction is seat jackers. So we have seat jackers in our Jeep that may interfere with this, but we'll find out here in a little bit, so stay tuned. The install starts out with prepping the compressor and installing the compressor onto the base plate. Next, you install the switch onto the base plate and the wiring harness from the switch to the compressor. After that, you prep the main harness that actually goes from the battery to the compressor in the vehicle. Installing the harness in the vehicle is easier with two people, with one person feeding it down from the engine compartment and another person on the bottom pulling the harness through. Both seats do need to be removed and tilted back to install the base plates. Then you install the Kraken base plates, the air tubing, and the wiring underneath the seats, and reinstall the seats per the instructions. Alright, install's complete, and it does work with the seat jackers. You can see here, the interface here for connecting the hose on and off switch, our seat jackers, so it does no interference, does work on this side. And then the same on the driver's side. Obviously the interface is smaller because it just has the hose hook up, but with the seat jacker, it does go underneath the seat jacker, no problem, and it fits great. So this is a wrap on this one. We're airing down and we're going to try it out airing back up. Alright, so we're hooked up and we're going to try this out. You can see we're setting at low 20s on all four, and go for it, babe. Alright, there we go, 30 all the way around. So it went from low 20s to around 30. I think we had two at 29, one at 30, one at 32, and in about 2 minutes. We shut the pump off, kept everything hooked up, and it stabilized out, and now we're 30 all the way around. It stabilized out in about another minute or two. So there we go. Aired up in 2 minutes, stabilized all four tires to the same in another 2 minutes. That's a wrap, baby. Alright, hopefully this video gave you a good insight on having the seat jackers with the Kraken system. Be sure to check the description below for links to the seat jackers, the ARB compressor, and the Kraken inflation system. And until next time, we'll see you out there getting fresh air.